Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the HAHZT Modern Bathroom Vanity Light in brushed gold with a unique smoke acrylic design. This 24-inch, 28-watt LED bath bar light is dimmable via your wall switch, giving you perfect brightness control without extra cords. Crafted with sturdy aluminum and a matte black finish, it promises durability and eye-friendly illumination. Installation is simple, connecting directly to standard US junction box wiring, perfect even for beginners. Its sleek design not only enhances bathrooms but also works great over mirrors, paintings, and in bedrooms or hallways. Enjoy a non-dazzling, glare-free glow that adds style and comfort to any space. Thanks for watching and lighting up your home with HAHZT. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.